We're going to the rainforest today. We're gonna try to take pretty video and pictures and stuff. We're doing what crazy kids do, and we woke up really early at like 5, and now we're driving 300 miles to the ocean and the rainforest. So yeah, come along with us. We're on some beach that's really far north in the Pacific Ocean, and I'm trying to vlog with my GoPro to see if this is any better or worse. Leanne's the poncho lady. We're trying to go to rainforest today. I got a 3-day weekend. We already did 40 hours this week, so they kind of shot us down for overtime. So before we move, which is like less than 2 weeks now, we haven't actually had a chance to come up to Washington and check out the Olympic National Forest, so here we are. Are you wet? Yeah. How do your pants feel? What? Oh, look at it. Your boots are like buckets of water. I heard licking it also gets the water off better. Yeah, it's a Hero Black 7, so it's kind of outdated, but it'll just be interesting to see how this vlog turns out, how this audio turns out with some outdated stuff in 2021. I mean, the iPhone video wasn't too bad. It allowed me to create a video and share with you guys. Using this GoPro is allowing me to be out in the rain right now without really worrying about damaging my Panasonic G9. I think it's weather sealed, but either way, yeah, let me know, leave a comment. What do you think of the GoPro Hero Black 7 footage? Well, it's been years since I've used a poncho, and I forgot that your legs might get a little bit wet. Needless to say, I'm fucking soaked. But at least my torso is good. Yeah, my torso is great. I'm nice and dry up here, so I'm not losing heat from my core. We're at the Hoh Rainforest right now in Olympic National Park. One giant tree. Yep. So this is us on our stroll to the Olympic National Park. Leanne's over here checking out mushrooms. Ooh. Cool. Yeah. So, stupid question. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You glad we woke up early and we're doing this?
Yeah.
How many weeks do you have left of work?
1 week.
And then we're out of here on maybe the 28th or the 31st?
Yeah.
This is a pretty good farewell, huh? For our, I mean, we're doing something on our way out
There's
of
no
Oregon.
better way to say goodbye to the PNW than walking outside just getting drenched in
Standing
rain.
in the rain.
Yeah,
This is the most
standing in the rain.
This is the most Pacific Northwest thing we've done.
This is all you could ask for.
Yep. Just leaving the Hoh Rainforest right now, and we're headed to the beach again. Hopefully it's not as rainy as the first one, but we gotta do it for the dog, you know. Well, this is kind of the final destination. Nice beach. Nice stick, Waylon. Check this out. It's pretty cool. It's creek right here. It's flowing right into the ocean. My shirt's soaking wet. I think that's gonna be a wrap for this vlog. We're at Ruby Beach in Washington. We went to the rainforest, and then we went to I don't know, some other beach where it was really rainy when we were in the ponchos. I hope the audio turns out good on this and the video. Everybody take it easy, enjoy your weekend. Yeah, we got like 2 weeks left, so if you're still watching my videos, I really appreciate that. That's cool. Hopefully they get a lot better when we're on our property, or they'll slow down because I don't have the money to do what I want to do. But we're gonna make something happen, right, Leanne?
Right.
Yeah, so we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Take it easy.